So we're making a basic sponge mix with self-raising flour, 250 grams of butter or bacon margarine, 250 grams of caster sugar, 250 grams of self-raising flour, 4 eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. So get all your ingredients measured out and sieve your flour. And then you want to place your butter and your caster sugar or your bacon margarine and your caster sugar into your mixing bowl. And you want to get that on beating really nice and vigorously until it changes consistency and colour. It becomes really nice and pale, and there's lots of air going through it. Then you want to whisk up your eggs, beat up your eggs in a separate jug. You can add them one by one, some recipes call for that, but we're adding it bit by bit. And then little by little you want to start to add that to your batter mix and then keep beating in between the amounts that you add. The mixture will start to change consistency and become like a really light, irrigated, whipped butter. It will look yummy, but you don't want to taste it at this stage. Then you want to start adding your flour, and you want to do this in batches. If your batter curdles a bit, don't worry about it. You can add a bit of flour little bit by little bit in between adding the eggs, but you don't have to. As you start to add the flour, again the consistency will change, and after each addition of adding flour and beating, scrape down your bowl until you're left with a beautiful, nice batter looking like this. At this stage you can add your vanilla essence if you didn't add it to your egg mixture, and then mix in ever so lightly. I'm making cupcakes, but this mixture works for cupcakes or a large loaf tin. For the cupcakes, I get a cup of water, put my medium ice cream scoop in there, dip it in there, and then I want to fill my scoop with batter, and then just pop it into my individual cupcake case, almost like if I was scooping out a scoop of ice cream. And that fits in there really nicely. It's a lot messier than using spoons. And once all of my cases are filled, pop them into the oven. I bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes on gas smart 65. It really does depend on your oven, you have to play around with it. Once they're out and cool down, and I just top them or decorate them or just eat them straight away.